Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my lovely students. How are you? I hope that everything is going well with every one of you. Today we are going to have a very interesting lesson which talks about parts of plant. So we will draw now a plant and then we will know with each other the parts of plant and then we will continue together. So now we are drawing the plants. So the plant. So this is the root, and this called stomata, and this is a leaf, and we have here a flower. So we need to know with each other what is the main role of every part of the plant. We will have a PowerPoint together to know what we are going to talk about. Firstly, we are going to talk about the root. What is the function or the main functions of roots? First thing is to anchor the plant in the soil. Anchor means to fix. So roots fix the plant in the soil. The second function is to absorb water and the nutrients from the soil. So it anchors the plant in the soil and then absorb water and the nutrients from the soil. And the third function is to store food. Okay, what next? After being storing the food in the root, the stem comes to transport this food, which is nutrients and water, to the other parts of plant. So we have functions of stem, which are support the plant and transport nutrients and store resources. So stem provides structure, support for the plant, and then it transports water and the nutrients from the soil to the other parts of plant, and stem also can store food and other resources for the plant. Okay, we have types of stems. Okay guys, we have types of stems. The first type is woody stem. Woody stem like the tree trunks. Okay, and the other type is the underground stem, which we can call it tuber stem, like potato and sweet potato. Okay, the third type is climber stem. Climber, the P is silent. Climber stem, like grapes. And the fourth one is the runner stem. The runner stem, like strawberry. The fifth one is the upright stem. Upright stem, like flowers. Okay, we have 5 types of stem. We have named it now. So, guys, I need some one of you to say maybe 2, 3, as much as he or she can. Okay, thank you, super. We will continue to have the stem structure. We have two main things in the stem: xylem and phloem. The xylem is a tube, okay, that transport water and the nutrients from roots to the other parts of plant, which is leaves and the flowers. Okay, so it comes from downward to upward. Okay, and the other tube is phloem. Phloem is a tube that transport sugar. Sugar. Sugar comes from the photosynthesis process. Okay, that takes place in leaves. Okay, it transport sugar, glucose sugar, from the leaves to all parts of plant. Okay, so they are opposite in direction. We have two directions, from downward to upward, which is xylem, and the opposite one is phloem, from upward to downward. We have also leaves in the plant. The function of leaf, or the main function of leaves, is to do photosynthesis process, which makes the own food of plant. Okay, what does the plant need to do photosynthesis process? It needs water and carbon dioxide and also sunlight. So we can say it as basic needs of plants. Basic needs of plants. So plants do its own food due to the photosynthesis process, okay, which is a function of a leaf. Okay, what is the second function of the leaf? The second function of the leaves is transpiration. Transpiration. What is transpiration? In transpiration process, leaves release water vapor to cool the plant. Release it. Get it out of the plant. Okay? Okay, alright. The third function of the leaf is to exchange the gas. It's like the respiration process in the plant, get in oxygen and release carbon dioxide, and the other exchange when the plant need carbon dioxide, it also get in due to the stomata or the stomata or stomata of the leaves. Okay, we have also types of leaves. We have narrow leaves and wide leaves. Narrow leaves and wide leaves. The narrow leaves like the pine tree, and the wide leaves, it's like water lily, and also like the banana tree leaves. Okay, the fourth part of the plant, which only founded when the plant comes adult plant, is flower. Flowers are the reproductive parts of the plant. Okay, so the main object or the main function of the flower is to reproduce. Reproduction of plant means to find or to generate a new generation. Okay, flowers help in reproduction by reproduce seeds